Yo, what's up, y'all? This is your boy JJ Hearts, aka Honda G right here, man. On this video, I will be changing out my headlights, and I actually have a friend of mine that's gonna help me change them out. You know what I'm saying? As you can see over here, these are my old headlights, and I got this is the reflector headlights. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna definitely show you my other headlights that I'm about to add on. You know what I'm saying? I got it on both ends as well. You feel me? And also, I will be adding the HID lights on my car too to make my joint brighter. So as you can see, these are my headlights right here. I'm gonna show you one of them. This is it right here. As you can see, this is my halo rings over here, and this is my LED strip, and this is my turning signal. You know, I already bought the LED for this shit, you know what I'm saying? So I'm about to get it on, and I have a friend that's gonna help me, so let's get it. So yo, these are my headlights right here again. Once again, I wanna show you what I was gonna do. This is like the low beam, this is a low beam, this is a high beam, you feel me? Like in the back of this, I'm gonna show you in the back of this right here, you feel me? This is the low beam area right here. I wanted to put the like HID in there, but I'm gonna have to do rewiring and shit. And you see this right here, you see this over here? This is like the regular freaking light, which I don't want on it, you feel me? Like the yellow light, I don't want that shit on it, you dig what I'm saying? So I'm about to get this rewired, modify it, and I'm gonna put HID in this shit, you know what I'm saying? And this is the high beam over here. This is the plug, like the negative and positive right here, you feel me? And then this is over here, this right here, this is a wire, like an extra wire for the car, you feel me? And this is over here in this area where the signal turn is, like over here. Basically, this is like for the signal turns left and right and shit like that. So let's get it, man. So yeah, man, so I'm about to freaking undo these. I have to take these connectors off and stuff like that to get to the headlights, you feel me? And I have to take the bumper off, like the whole front bumper gotta come off too as well, you feel me? So I gotta unscrew it, and then underneath the bumper, there's like the connectors down there too, so I gotta unscrew these, you know what I'm saying? So let's get
Modern
it.
Mark Productions.
As you can see, he is undoing the clips underneath my car to remove the bumper, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, the bumper is coming off now.
Oh, we got a handball. You have a handball in your car bumper.
Say, heard you. That shit was found on my bumper. That's weird as hell. So yeah, man. So my bumper's been removed, and you're supposed to unscrew this. And then this bottom part, and then this part over here, you know what I'm saying, to take this thing off. And the wires is connected, so I don't want to yank it off, you feel me? So let's get it. So yeah, man, it's finished and all that. And by the way, unfortunately, I could not even record the rest of the footage. Like, I didn't get to record the rest of the footage of me and my friend putting these new lights on and stuff like that, back together, putting the bumper back together, because we was in a rush. And I literally had to run the AutoZone and get different light bulbs, like the halogen shits, like it's brighter white, but it's not exactly LED. But the LED strips and the signal turns, yeah, they are LED. And my halo lights too, the halo rings, they're LED as well. But everything else is good, you know what I'm saying? And I am definitely going to be showing y'all how my lights operate and how it works, because it's aftermarket, you feel me? So this right here, I'm gonna show you how the headlights operate, you feel me? Because this is the aftermarket headlight. So this is off, right? When it's on, this is LED. It's gonna show the strips, the halo, and the turner signal on the side, which I'm gonna show you in a minute. Then when I put it on auto, it's off, because it's during the daytime, because I put it on auto and the headlights is not on. So basically, next one, when I turn these lights on, all the lights come on regularly, like if I turn it on. That's how it is, you know, at nighttime. So when I push it to high beam, the high beam works, you feel me? So them lights are halogen basically. And then I'm gonna show you something else, the turner signal. That's how it is, you know what I'm saying? Because and this is the same thing for the right side as well. So that's just how it works basically. So alright, so there it goes at night. Now I'm about to show you what nighttime looks like. Whoo! This shit is mad bright. Look at this. Yo, this shit is bright as hell. This shit is fucking nice as hell. So as you saw this video clip at nighttime, how the headlights are, and it's like really, really bright, and it shoots really far at night. You know what I'm saying? So good thing I was able to show you that part, you know. I didn't show you the driving part, you know, of me driving. I just showed y'all how the headlights were bright at night. And it came out pretty good. And I want to change my joint to LED, but the H1 bulbs, for some reason, I cannot find an LED version. I don't know why. It's probably because of the wiring that came with it. You know what I'm saying? That's just how it is. So I'm just going to like leave it alone. As long as I can see at night, you know what I'm saying? I'm not too bothered about my bulbs and stuff like that. It's like halogen bright white, but it's like, it's not really straight LED. But I honestly want to thank everybody for watching my video and stuff. I did what I could do. I couldn't do everything like certain people do, you feel me? But I just want to show y'all that I had to upgrade basically, you know what I'm saying? And shout out to my homeboy, man, you know what I'm saying, that did it for me and stuff like that. And also, I'm about to be out. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I got more videos coming soon. Peace.